Hi, this is the quick instruction guide for the wiring and connection of GONEO's 3-phase home ESS systems inverter. Please note that this is a guide for certified professional electricians only. First, these are the items that comes with the product. However, for complete wiring of our inverter, you need to prepare these tools and items. You would also need to prepare the wire and crimps. We recommend wires of AWG 18 to 20 and crimps with a diameter smaller than 8 mm after crimping. Please note that this is a fake meter box we use for demonstration purpose only. You should always wear professional insulating gloves and make sure that all lines are not live while operating for safety purposes. Before we begin, it is very important to identify the 3 live lines, and we strongly recommend you to color code them for future reference. In our case here, we have yellow wire as L1, green as L2, and red wire as L3 from left to right. We use yellow color tape and green color tape to mark our line since we use red colored wires for live lines. Ammeter wiring. These are the lines you need to prepare for ammeter wiring. We strongly recommend that you color code the lines for reference. Prep all the wire using a wire striping tool, then insert the wire into the crimp. Then tighten with the crimping tool. Make sure the connection is tight. These are the tools and items needed for ammeter connection. All the connection terminals are labeled. Identify the correct terminals. We have yellow label for L1, therefore insert the yellow line into L1 terminal. Connect all other lines accordingly. Tighten the screw. Now, insert one end into the LA terminal, and the other end in any of the 3 live line terminals. The internal neutral line should be connected to the NA and N terminals. Tighten all terminals. Now, your smart meter should look like this. Connection of current transformers. Take a close look at the labels on the terminals. Each current transformer comes with a white and black line. Connect white line to S1 terminal and black to S2 terminal. The small number above S1 and S2 indicates power line L1, L2, L3 accordingly. Each group of S1 and S2 should be connected to one current transformer. Please do not cross-connect. Tighten all terminal screws. This is how it should look after installation. Ammeter connection wire. Comes with the product, the 2 ends are already pre-labeled with A+ and B-. Connect the A+ wire to TZR terminal and B wire to TXB terminal. Tighten all terminals. Your ammeter should look like this. Ammeter installation in meter box. Identify L1, L2 and L3. Connect the live lines accordingly. You may have other wire colors, but for the purpose of demonstration, we have used different colors for better explanation. Connecting the current transformer is straightforward. Open the transformer, then clip it to the respective live lines. The arrow should point from house to grid. Connect the other 2 transformers accordingly. Now you have completed the installation of the ammeter.